Are you looking for a quick and delicious recipe? Definitely try this recipe. Hello Alice, I am Arunima and you are watching the Homely Kitchen with Arunima. Today I am preparing the soya chili, which everyone can like. So without further ado, let's see the recipe. To boil the soya chunks, add the water in the heated pan. Add some salt and red chili powder in the water. Add the soya chunks. Mix well. I am adding the salt and chili powder in the time of boiling because in that method the soya chunks will be more tasty. Boil the soya chunks. Strain the soya chunks. Do not discard the water. We will use the water later. After cooling down the soya chunks, add some curd in the soya chunks. Add salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and Maggi masala magic. Some amount of soya sauce. Mix everything well. Gradually add the cornflour and coat the soya chunks. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. Take a pan, add some oil on the pan. Heat the oil. When the bubbles are removing from the oil, that means the oil is heated nicely. Add the soya chunks. Shallow fry it. If you want, you can deep fry the soya chunks also. But I don't like to deep fry food, so I am shallow frying it. The soya chunks are nicely fried. Take them out of the pan. Heat the pan and add very little amount of oil on the pan. Add chopped garlic, grated ginger, saute well. Add the chopped onion, saute nicely. When the aroma releases from the mixture, add the diced onion. Saute well. Add the diced capsicum. You can use the red bell pepper or yellow bell pepper. Saute everything well. Add soya sauce. Mix immediately. Add the tomato ketchup. and the red chili sauce. Mix well. I am adding more red chili sauce for more taste. Mix well. Add the strained water. Mix well. Do not use the excess water because it is a starter. Add salt. Mix well. Add some amount of water to make a creamy consistency, which will help the mixture to mix with the soya. Add the fried soya chunks. Mix nicely with the gravy. The soya chili is ready. Serve it hot. And enjoy the yummy, awesome taste with your family. You can serve it as a starter in the party. Have you found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and share this video and comment down below which recipe you want to see next. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and set to all to get notification of the more exciting recipes. Follow me on Instagram to know the upcoming recipe beforehand. Okay Alice, that's all for today. Meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye.